Fong. Today I'm going to show you how to make pesto sauce from my homegrown basils. Okay, they are quite good. I've already harvested enough for us to do the demo. These are left behind, which we'll do another day. Okay, so let's go in and see how we can proceed with the pesto sauce. So here is what I have on the table. Preparation for how to make ingredients for making pesto sauce. We start with the basil, for example. These are the ones which I've shown you, harvested, washed and dried. Okay, they are now ready for the pesto sauce. I have some olive oil with me, right, and some cashew nuts, which you can use, or you can use pine nut, which is the original recipe, but they are just as good. Some salt, pepper, and some garlic. I'm using cheddar cheese today, but you can use Parmesan, which I can't get, so I'm using this cheddar cheese instead. Right? And I've got a shredder or blender here, waiting to do the work. Right? Should we start? Next, I'm going to add in some nuts. There's a handful. Add some garlic. And a bit of cheese. And some oil. And I think the sauce is ready, isn't it? Not bad. Sauce is done. I'm going to transfer it to a container, which looks like this. Okay, don't fill up to the top because you need some air, or rather some space for the olive oil to sit on top, so that it prevents the sauce from getting old too quickly. Let me just put some olive oil on top, just cover it. This is the end result of the pesto sauce being blended, and with all these ingredients that I've shown you. So if you like, you can try to subscribe to my link down there with all the ingredients in hand, and try it. Give it a try. If you like it, just give me a thumbs up. Okay? Now I'm showing you how I would normally eat my snack with this pesto sauce. You can also use spaghetti and put some pesto sauce with it, or crackers, simple as that, and just dig out some of this pesto, just like that. Okay, and this is yummy. Try it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Bye.